Alright, welcome back guys. In the last video I reviewed the Traffic Secrets book, not in depth. I just briefly talked about it. After I read it, I'll probably do a more in-depth review of it in a later video. But in this video, what I want to do is unbox the other two books in the trilogy. I want to unbox the Dotcom Secrets book, and I also want to unbox the Expert Secret book. So without further ado, here we go. So these are the boxes that they came in. They came in the mail. All I paid was shipping and handling, and they came in the mail. So let's see which one is which. See if I can identify which one is which. So this one, you know guys, I can't even figure out which is which. So let's just pick one and go with it, right? Oh yeah, I know which one is which. So this one should be the Dotcom Secrets. That's the first book in the trilogy. So let's unbox it. I already went ahead and cut the tape, so I'll just take it out of the box and show it to you. Are you ready guys? Here it is. It's Dotcom Secrets, and yeah, they put a little bit of pamphlet in the box as well. You know, I'm telling you about, see, the Secret Trilogy. You can get the trilogy. That's all 3 books in one package. You know, and this is a quick start guide. Right? This is ClickFunnels, telling you about ClickFunnels as a software that you're going to use to build your funnels. This is a marketing secret app where you can listen to the podcast. Really good, awesome stuff, trust me. So this here, if you look at this, you can see all 3 books. Plus there's a bonus book. It's called Unlock the Secrets. I don't have that one. I would love to get that one. Whenever I get it, I will also do a video about it. So let's go back to the Dotcom Secrets book, right? So you see, it's an Underground Playbook for growing your company online with sales funnels. So this is pretty much the blueprint that teaches you how to build the funnels from scratch. It gives you a wealth of information to build these funnels, right? It was forwarded by Dan Kennedy. I'm really excited to start reading this book, you know, start building my funnels. Really can't wait. So awesome stuff. Get the book. The link is in the description. Click it and get the book. The other book now, it's called Expert Secrets. You know? So that one was red, this is blue. Alright? We have the same pamphlets. I'm not going to go through that again. We already did that. But this is Expert Secrets, and pretty much what this book is about is, you know, after you build your funnels, you want to get them to convert. You know, so this is pretty much the science behind the funnels, how they really work, how you get them to convert, how, you know, it's more like the psychology of it, how, you know, how to write the copies, the sales copies, how to do your videos, you know. So Expert Secrets, really awesome book. I'm going to read this one first, and then I'm going to move on to this one. So this one was forwarded by Garrett J. White, so you can check that guy out as well. There's about 350 pages in this book, and in the Dotcom Secrets book there's about 390 pages. So with that said guys, go and get your books. The link is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Streetside College, And at Streetside College, we're all about the entrepreneur in mind, and we talk about business, we talk about entrepreneurship, we talk about marketing, you know, we do a little motivation here and there. We talk about YouTube, we talk about social media strategies, how to grow your social media, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more traffic to your website, stuff like that. That's what we talk about at Streetside College. So if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Also leave a comment, let us know what you think about my content. Watch my other videos, leave a comment, share, like, all of the above. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video, guys.